One of the most important features we added to our platform with the Smart Stability System is the diagnostic display. The display has two arrows to go up and down and scroll through menu, the possibility of entering a menu, and a confirm button. With these switches, the operator can immediately see the value of every sensor present on the platform, every micro switch, and the value of the Smart Stability System while it's operating, plus all the error code that eventually the machine can provide it and should be given then to the customer service for support. If we enter in the menu right away, we can see the diagnostic of the boom angle, for example, with the value from the two sensors and the voltage. In this way, the operator can see if the sensor is faulty or if the reading is not right, and if the two sensors are providing the same value. At the same time, we can go to the software release versions. If all the micro switches of the chassis are working, if the sensor of the platform are working properly, if all the inputs, emergency stop, selector, and every information from the outriggers are properly working, if the outriggers and the stabilizer are in or out, if the chassis control unit is working properly, if the platform control unit is working properly, if every joystick is working properly. Essentially, we can see all the parameters, all the information, all the data packages that are going through the canvas in our system directly on this diagnostic display. And most important, we can see the tipping parameters, so we can see really how the Smart Stability System is working in real time and where are we with our overturning moment with respect to the stabilizing moment of the platform. So the first menu is the start and stop menu with the voltage from the battery. And then once we enter the different sub-menu, we go from the all warming or winter mode for the winter season to the diagnostic of the boom angle, for example, the turret rotation angle or the boom length. Just to give you an example, in the boom length, we can see immediately the voltage that is read from every one of the two sensors in the boom and the length translated. So in this case, the boom is fully closed, so it's 0 meter. But then we can go to the turret rotation angle and we can see the voltage and the two angles as read by the sensors. Or we can go, for example, to the inputs and we can see if the platform is selected or if we are operating from the chassis, if the emergency stop are pressed or not. If I press the emergency stop, immediately the two value goes to 0. If I release the emergency stop, the value goes back to 1. In this way, the operator can see if every single micro switch or sensor or even the current to the proportional valves are working and if they are working properly.